Okay, this is 7.2, question 3 in this tutorial. This is a 5-part question, and the first thing they're asking for in this example is to find the expected value, and I explained how to do that in question 2. So here's the formula. If you're doing it by formula, it's just x value times probability plus x value times probability, etc., until you get your mean. And then you can also do this in the calculator that I sent you the link for, the meta calculator. Just use the stats calculator and then enter your data, look under basic stats, and it'll show you that in number 6, your mean is 6.3. So you can do it this way, or you can use the online calculator. Now, in part 2 of this one, they're asking for the variance. The variance is standard deviation squared. Okay, so kind of the long way to do this, following the formula, means we're going to square our x value and multiply it by the probability. And then we're going to add those all together. So that's what I've done here. X value squared times probability plus x value squared times probability plus etc., etc., etc. And then using this formula, this sum right here is what I got right here. So here it is, and minus mean squared. This mean came from the first step in this problem, and now I'm squaring it. And then when I calculate that out, I get that the variance is, when I round it to 1 decimal place, it's equal to 1.6. Okay, and then in step 3 of this problem, they're asking for the standard deviation. This is our variable for standard deviation, and the standard deviation is the square root of variance. Variance we got in a previous answer, so we're going to take the square root of that and round it to 1 decimal place. So that's why this is rounded up to 3. Then in the last couple of steps here, they're asking you find the value of the probability when x is greater than 4, round to 1 decimal place. This symbol is the greater than symbol, and here it means find the value when x is greater than 4. So look right here. There's our probabilities. Here's the ones. This is x greater than 4. So you're going to add these together. Just add them together. And that's the probability when x is greater than 4. And then the last example, they ask you to calculate the value of the probability for x less than 7. Okay, so here's 7. Here's the ones that are less than 7. Add up the probabilities, and that's the probability when x is less than 7.